Hey guys, this is Jason, and today I just wanted to give you guys a basic update about the plans during the summer. I just got back from college. It was an overall good semester, but during the summer I'm gonna try to work on some projects covering both software and hardware. Right now I have around 4, maybe 5 projects that I want to work on, and also I want to be able to at least 3 videos per week as well, and also I have work as well on top of that. Hopefully I could balance all that. So far the project ideas range from an HTTP server to on the hardware half, like a basic robot that uses computer vision in order to avoid objects. That's basically the plan for the summer. I'm gonna try to, as I stated before, put out at least 3 videos a week. Also try to stream every time that I'm off. I don't know when that's gonna be because I haven't seen my schedule yet, but overall that's the plan. And I'm gonna try to post more on Twitter as well, so